Today, we're learning the Be More Nation line dance as requested by you. Now, before we get into anything, I want to say thank you so much for sending over this huge super thanks. Your support goes a long way. Now, let's waste no time. We have a lot to learn. This is going to be divided up into two halves. The first half is going to have 2 sections, and then the second half is going to have 4 sections. And I promise by the end of it, you will have it, no matter if you're 8, 18, or 80 years old. All right? So I'm going to turn my back to you. Left hand, we're going to be the same. Right hand, we're going to be the same, okay? The super easy part here is stepping out with this left leg first. You're going to slide on that left leg and then bring your right leg in. Okay? So that's going to be on the count 1, 2. Do that with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide 1, 2. Then we have our heel taps here. You're going to take your left heel, tap it, bring it in. Right heel, tap it, bring it in. Let's repeat that all together from the top. 5, 6, 7. We said 1, 2. Heel tap. 3 and 4 and. Again, 5, 6, 7. We said 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. Then repeat that one more time. We step 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. So you're doing that twice, okay? That's the first section in the first half, by the way. So we said again, 5, 6, 7. We said 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. Do that one more time and then we move on to section 2. 5, 6, 7. We said left leg, left, right, left leg, right leg. All right, now we're going on to section 2 in the first half. You're going to take your left leg to go back. It's going to go left leg back, right leg meets it, left leg forward, right leg meets it. One more time, we step 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, we step 1, 2, 3, 4. Then from here, I'm going to take my right leg. It's going to go out, bring it in, then I bring my knee up. Yes, yes, yes. So it's going to go out, in, up. And you just have to make it nice and small. Out, in, up. Okay? So that's going to go section 2, starting from the top here. We said left, right, out, in, up. Okay, those counts, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, now for our 7, you're going to put your foot down, but as soon as the ball of your foot, that right knee, as soon as that foot goes on the ground and you feel that ball of the foot touch, step your left leg out, lean your weight to that right leg, okay? So we said here, I go down, boom. So it's going to go from the out, in, up. Then I step down on the 7. From here, look where my left hand is. I'm going to turn towards this wall to finish the 8 count, okay? What just happened? One more time. So we said from the top of section 2 here, I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, out, in, up, step 7, 8. Yes, yes, yes. Let's connect that one more time. Section 2. We said 5, 6, 7, 8. Go left, right, out, in, up, step down, and turn. All right, let's put that whole section all together from the very top. Here we go. Ready? Nice and slow. 5, 6, section 1. Go slide together, heel tap again. Together, heel tap. Section 2, we said left, right, out, in, up, and quarter turn. There you go. Now the cool thing about this dance, you're going to do this first half twice, okay? So now we're facing this way. We're going to do the same thing. Now I'm going to go towards the camera, which means you're going to go towards your back wall. I'm going to go step left, right leg, right leg again, together, left leg, right leg. Then I step back, left, right, then we go out, in, up, step down, boom. Now, your back should be towards me. So if you look over your shoulder, you should see me, all right? Now, we're gonna do that all again from the very top, straight through so you have it. This is the first half of the dance. You just do it twice, okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and left, right, out, in, up, quarter turn again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, step 7, turn 8. If your back's to me, you did it correct, all right? Now, before we go into the second half, a couple of variations. On this part here, after you go left, right, this out, in, up might be a little fast for you. So what you can do is just go with your knee out, in, up. It still gives you that same vibe. Out, in, up. Step, boom, okay? So face the front so you can see that, a variation. Out, in, up. But once you have the dance down, you can make any variations you want for fun as long as you're keeping the same directions, all right? That's the end of the first half. So the second half, we are gonna start it facing our back wall, your back to me, but I'm gonna teach it to you this way first so you can understand the steps, okay? This is gonna be in 4 sections. Let's go to the first section of the second half. This one here, this is where the beat gets hype. You're gonna take your right leg, tap it, and then you have 2 versions here. You can bring the knee up and down, then on the other side, left leg, knee up, down. Or you can go tap, kick, and tap, kick, and. I like the knee up because I like to be hype, but if you don't want to be too hype, just do the kicks, okay? So let's do the knees here. So we go 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Again, 5, 6, 7, we said tap, knee, and tap, knee, and. Again, 6, 7, we said 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. From here now, you're gonna take your right leg, is gonna come up to do a twist, 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 twist. Again, you're taking that right leg, it's going out, twist, twist. And you're using your hips a little bit, twist, twist. And if you don't wanna pick up your leg, you can just twist right here. Twist, twist. Yes, all right? So we said from the top of this section 1, we said 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6. Yes? Let's try with the kicks. We said 5, 6, 7, we said 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6. Your hands are up to you. Have fun, whatever you want to do, all right? From here now, we're going to finish off this section here. 5 and 6, I'm going to put my weight down on this right leg and swing my left leg across. 7, and bring it up, 8. That's going to finish section 1 of the second half. One more time. So we finish that twist, 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 twist. Push that right leg down. So you're just going to put your weight on it and swing this left leg around and then bring your knee up with that left leg. Yes, yes, yes. Now, if your foot's doing this, if you're doing twist, twist, all you gotta do is drop your weight onto that foot and swing your left leg around and then bring your knee up. All right, let's try it one more time, straight through. I'm gonna do it the way I like to do it, so follow along. 5, 6, 7, we said 1, knee, and 2, 3, and 5, and 6, go 7, 8. Good, now from here, you're gonna take this left leg, you're gonna drop it to go left, right, quarter turn, then you're gonna take your right leg to step forward, quarter turn again. What did he just do? All right, so after we finish here, twist, twist, around, hit, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, that right there is gonna initiate section 2 of the second half, okay? So we set for the twist, twist, 5 and 6, go 7, 8, 1, 2, step 3, 4. Good. Now from here, I'm going to take the right leg and I'm going to do a cha-cha step this way. I'm going to take the right leg, 1 and 2. Then I'm going to step left, half turn right. Again, so we said from here, we just finished our quarter turn, I'm gonna step 1, 2, 3, step left, right. Stop there, one more time. So I'm just gonna bring it back from the twist so you have it nice and slow. We said twist, twist, 7, 8, top of section 2. Left, right, quarter, turn, step, right, quarter, turn, cha-cha, step, left, right. And that's gonna be a half turn after the cha-cha step. Yes, yes, yes? You're with me? All right? Those are the first 2 sections. You only have 2 more sections left in this half, okay? Let's put section 1 and section 2 together just to feel it out real quick. We said, nice and slow, 5, 6, 7, slow. Right, knee and left, knee and twist, swing, stop. Now we go to our ball change to the quarter turn. Left, right, turn, right leg, turn. Then we go to the cha-cha step. 1, 2, 3, step, half turn. Yeah? I feel like you're there. I feel like you're there. And if you didn't get it that time, I feel like you know where you messed up. Yes? All right? So after we do this here, the cha-cha, cha-cha-cha, step, turn. I see people do the cha-cha like this. Boom, 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 ka, ka. But that's if you want to get hype. After you turn, you're going to have this step here. Listen to the timing. I'm going to go left, right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, stop. Again. So that's going to go after that cha-cha. We finish that turn. We step with our left leg. 1, right leg, 2. Then we go left, right, left. This is going to be a body roll on the left. Right, left, another body roll. And then right stomp. Okay? I almost hit my face there. Again. So we said 5, 6, 7. We said left, right, roll. And roll, and stop. Yeah? All right? So that's gonna be the third section there. So we start, this here is gonna be 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Okay? Now, let's connect section 1, 2, and 3 of the section half, nice and slow. And remember, when you body roll, let yourself get loose. Don't be shy. All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, section 1. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and twist, around, up. Section 2. Left, right, quarter, turn, right, quarter, turn, cha-cha, step, left, right, half turn. Section 3, we step. Left, right, right, right stomp. All right? Now, let's finish off this section. Right here, you're going to take your left leg, it's going to go back. Left, then your right, then you're going to go left, right, left. Again, we finished at 8, we step back. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, stomp, 8, left, right, left. Then we're going to take our right leg to rock. Rock onto that right leg, your left leg's popped, push your weight back on the left, step right, step left. And that's going to be the end of section 4, aka the end of that second half. Again, 5, 6, 7, we said from here. Left, right, right stomp. Finish off for section 4, we said left, right, right, left. Yes. Let's put that second half all together again. Make sure you have all that footing, and then we're going to do it with the correct wall, okay? Here we go. 5, 6, section 1. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and twist, step 7, knee, 8. ball change, quarter turn, step, quarter turn, cha-cha step, left half turn. Step left, right, roll. Right roll, right stomp. Step left, right, left. Step right, rock, left, right, left. And the cool thing about this section, you learned it right now, and all you have to do is repeat it one more time, okay? Now, I'm gonna let you know that the first half we did, you do it twice. This second half, you do it twice. Once you know the moves, you just keep that pattern. First half, 2 times. Second half, 2 times, all right? Now let's do everything from the very top with the correct walls, okay? Follow me nice and slow. Here we go. Very top, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide 1 together, 2, 3, and 4, and again. Hoop, 7 and 8, and take it back. Left, right, out, in, up, step, quarter turn, stop. Repeat that phrase again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go left, right, left leg, right leg, left, right, left leg, right leg, left, right, out, in, up, quarter turn, face the back wall. Your back should be towards me. Hello over your shoulder again. All right, now we go into the second half. Here we go, stepping with that right leg. Right knee and left knee and twist, swing through, stop. From here, ball change right, quarter turn, step right, quarter turn, cha-cha step, left, right. Now from here we go. Left, right, left, right stomp. Back it up. Left, right, left. Step right, rock, left, right, left. Now we repeat the phrase one more time. Right knee and left knee and twist, swing through, stop, left, right, step right, cha-cha step, left, right. Then we go left, right, roll, and stop. Left, right, left, step right, rock, left, right, bam. And now your back should be facing me again, and then we start the phrase from the very top. We go back to the very top of the dance and repeat it all over. Yes? Turn around. All right, let's do that one last time straight through, and then we're gonna hit it with the music, okay? Here we go. Ready? Straight through. No stopping. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Go quarter turn again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. New part. Here we go. Boom, cat, boom, cat, twist, and twist. Go smooth out, ball change. Ha, boom, ha, cha-cha step, left, right. Go left, right, left, right stomp, left, right, left. One more time, here we go. Step, knee and twist, go 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, go 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and ha, and stomp, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, take your time, go through that as many times as you need, and then try with the music right over here, all right? Where you can follow along with me or learn another line dance right over here. I hope that helps, and yo, just have a good time with it. If you want to turn up, get it. If you want to go crazy with it, go crazy.